name of birds. Look here, this is a crow. C-R-O-W, crow. This is a peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. This is a sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. This is a cock. C-O-C-K, cock. This is a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. This is a ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. This is a crane. C-R-A-N-E, crane. This is a owl. O-W-L, owl. These are swans. S-W-A-N, swan. This is a hornbill. H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L, hornbill. This is a bulbul. B-U-L-B-U-L, bulbul. This is a woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. This is a pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. This is a vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. These are flamingos. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. These are ducks. D-U-C-K, duck. This is a kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. This is a hawk. H-A-W-K, hawk. This is an eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. These are doves. D-O-V-E, dove. Do practice. Till then, take care and we will be meeting you into our next class.